Hello, welcome back. Today I'm trying out Aritha Powder, which is an all-natural shampoo. I'm so excited. I've never used this before, but I've done a lot of research on it. So I'm going to be using it with shikakai powder, which I have used before, but I really hope it doesn't go out of date because I've had this for about 3 years. I'm sure it's still okay. I am currently on 4th day hair, so it's pretty greasy. 4th day is usually the day that I would wash. So we are on wash day. There's just 2 things you need to know before I start. Number 1 is that I am currently still doing the curly girl method. So I'm gonna be doing the curly girl technique in the shower. The only difference is I'll be using this instead of my normal curly girl approved non-sulfate shampoo. The second thing you need to know is that my hair is not heat damaged. A lot of people have made assumptions about my hair, and it's not heat damaged, it's just very dry. That's my hair type. My hair has been improving over the past month. Now that that's cleared up, please stop telling my hair is heat damaged and we can all move on with our lives. Okay, I'm now gonna go into my bathroom and we're gonna make this little concoction.
So of course I needed to get a little voiceover in here somewhere. So here I am in my bathroom. Now there are a few different methods and recipes, but I'm just gonna follow what's on the back of the box, which says 2 teaspoons for short hair and 4 for long hair. So I did roughly 3. Then it says optionally you can add 1 teaspoon of shikakai, amla or ayumi powder for conditioning. So I've added shikakai. Then I just break up the lumps and add a little bit of filtered water to make a smooth, runny paste. You can also make this a rinse by using more water and straining out the powder, but I feel like the paste is a little more clarifying because it's concentrated and it acts like a scrub. Also, I tried a similar rinse a few years ago and I found my hair was still a little bit greasy after. While I'm mixing, what on earth is this stuff? So Aritha or Reetha powder is most commonly associated with Indian hair care methods. It's made from dried soap nuts, which are a type of fruit from the lychee family grown in tropical parts of Asia. They've been used since ancient times to treat various conditions, but they're mostly used as a natural cleanser because they contain a large amount of saponin, which kind of works like a soap. Some articles say they contain vitamins A, D, E, and K, but I'm not 100% sure if that's accurate. I tried to find a scientific source to find out the nutrient value, but I couldn't find many credible sources. But it looks like they mainly contain saponin and fatty acids. So the hair benefits include cleansing, increasing growth, treating scalp bacteria and infections because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties, reduces dandruff, increases shine, detangles, and apparently it helps to kill lice. So it's all around a great healthy option for your hair, and it can also be used on the skin. A few cons: it's quite mild and most sources say it's not strong enough to wash out a hair mask or an oil treatment from your hair. It's a bit messy, and I have heard it can be a little drying if used too much, so that's something to keep in mind. So before I apply the shampoo, I wet and massage my scalp to help lift any dirt. And then I'm just massaging it all over my scalp. It was a little bit messy and a little hard to use, but it felt quite nice, like kind of like a scrub. I did find after a while it started to feel kind of gross and dry, it just felt like a big old clump of hay on my head. But I guess it was working. And then I just rinsed it out really thoroughly. It had to be quite thorough. I really had to scrub to get all the little grains out. And then I just conditioned with my natural conditioner using the curly girl scrunching technique. And as you can see on my hands, there was still little bits of powder in my hair, even from conditioning, but I think I managed to get it all out when I rinsed.
I'm out of the shower. It did take a little while to get all the powder out, but I feel like it's kind of out. I know there's a little bit left in there, but I feel like when it dries, it will just come out. I'm now gonna use my gel, which I've been using for the past month, and I'm gonna scrunch my hair as normal. Usually I would section my hair to do this, but I'm just gonna put it all in. I'm now just continuing to scrunch dry with my microfiber towel, help get the water out, because I'm now going to let it air dry, but because it's kind of cold at the moment, it's going to take a long time to air dry. So I may have to help it along with a diffuser on a low heat at some point, because this could literally take all day to dry. And I don't got time for that. I'm just going to clip up my roots, which I've been doing lately. I really like the look it gives. My hair doesn't have a lot of volume. It lies very flat to my head, so this helps a lot. I have Amazon affiliate links, which means if you buy anything through one of my links, I'll get around 4% commission. I think it's 4%. I remember calculating it one time, so it's like minuscule, but it really helps. If you want to buy anything on Amazon, use my link and you'll be helping me out a lot. I honestly really appreciate it. It looks clean and it feels clean, so that's a good sign, but I guess we'll see when it's dried. Okay, my hair is dry. Holy crap, I'm having a good hair day. In case you're wondering, I roll my bangs in one of these little rollers. That's how I get them to be so swoopy. It's just a style that I enjoy. My hair is clean. Where is it gone? This has cleaned my hair. My hair is clean. I try so many different things. My hair is different every day, but this, what I know for sure, it has cleaned my hair. My hair is not greasy, it's clean. I'm so happy. I can continue to use this. I'm definitely going to, because this worked. Ah! Okay, but I will say though, for the past month, I've been using a non-foaming cleanser, so I haven't been using sulfates. So this may have worked better on my hair than on someone's hair that has been using sulfates regularly, because my hair is getting used to not having sulfates in it for the past month. So that may be the reason that this has worked so well. So it might work differently for you, depending on what your hair is used to. I'm just impressed, you know. This was like £2.50 for a whole big thing of powder. Can't go wrong. Okay, so that's my verdict on Aritha powder. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's so great to find new things. So if you want to see more from me, I have a ton of hair videos. Go check them out. They'll be on the screen now. You can follow me everywhere. I have all the social medias, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Swish, swish, bish. Hair is good today. Look how